I didn't mean to end this life, I know it was alright. I can't even sleep and I can't get it off my mind. I need to get out of sight, but I end up behind bars. What started out as a simple altercation turns into a real sticky situation. Me just thinking on the time that I'm facing makes me wanna cry.
Okay, I'm back and my hair is not as dirty as I thought it was, probably because I washed it before I put it in the bag. The water's a little darker, but nothing crazy. I'm going to rinse these out and shampoo them.
Cause I didn't mean to hurt him. Could have been somebody's son, and I took his heart with. I pulled out that gun. Rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum.
My battery died, but I'm back. So far I have 66 really nicely sized, healthy locks here. Then I have an additional 16 that are decent. They're just a little thinner. So I would use those if I need to, depending on how my parting space turns out. And then I have these 10 sad little puppies that are just on their way out. So if I put these in, they're probably going to break eventually. So there's no point in me doing this. Look at that little curl. So these are not going to make it back in my head. So we'll have to have a little burial for those. But I do have 16 nice ones. And then an additional, I'm sorry, I have 66 good ones. And then an additional 16 pretty decent ones. Guys, my hair was so long. Look at this. And this color is from when I actually went and got it dyed and it started to grow out. I've only gotten my hair done twice ever. I always did it myself. And the color is still in there. It's still really beautiful. So once I put it in, my hair is going to be this color. And I'm going to have to figure out what I'm doing with all these roots.
We give you the pound, 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 pound. Zoe. Zoe, come with daddy. It's okay, baby. Come with daddy. Come, Zoe. It's alright, baby girl. Come with daddy. What happened? Come with daddy, baby. Tell daddy what happened.
By the time she gets to, she's going to be 20.
She's so funny. Come, baby. What happened?
Zoe, you still got a long way to go.
Zoe. Come here, baby.
Daddy. Go ahead.
Come. What's wrong? Come.
How do you spell your name?
Yay!
Mason, how do you spell your name? M
No.
A
No.
S
Oh, no.
O
No.
N.
No.
Yes! Zoe, how do you spell your name?
No.
Yes! Hi, Zoe. Doot, 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 doot. Zoe say doot, 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 doot. Doot, doot, doot. What's on your teeth? Ew. Got it. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Today is the day we are putting these back in. So there's 82 of them because I threw out I think 10 of them, and they're washed and conditioned and they smell good and they're dry, and I'm about to sort them out by length and section my hair hopefully into 82 good sections, and let's get it going. I'm trying to do the parts a little bigger than I had them to begin with, so I'm probably not going to use all of these locks, but I'm going to try to pick the thickest, nicest ones.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradict me. I be so bold myself, think you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, so make you around me. Treat me like all the way, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no contact with you, but you need to rub it out. I don't want no sex with you. Know you my blood, and I get sick this having love.
Mommy's hair. Why are you stepping on my hair? You like it?
Did you like it?
Do you like it?
Mommy, it's not in the door.
Can I have a kiss? Mwah. Look, Mommy has two. 1, 2.
Nice hair.
Thank you. No. Thank you, Mason. Okay, leave it alone. Mommy sorted it already.
Nice hair.
Okay, thank you. High five. Pound it. Hug it. Kiss it. Thank you. You're so good to Mommy. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm off to a slow start. The first one was a little tough for me to get in, but then the second one got easier, the third one got easier. Oh, so cute. Look at that. And I have 4 in, and it took me 50 minutes. So hopefully it doesn't take that long to do more of these, but I don't know if you could see. Let me see if I can do this a different way. Move the camera, not your head. So that's how that looks. Looks a little crooked there, but it's the angle of the camera, I promise. So we're getting there. So we're gonna see how we look. And see, it's pretty straight. We're gonna put some dinner on and keep it going. Look how long these are. Oh my God. So look, you can't even see it because they're so long. But we gotta get through this by tomorrow because I go back to work on Sunday and today's Friday. So if we can get through half of it tonight and half of it tomorrow, big plus. I'm hungry. Let me put some dinner on. Colors. What are you eating?
They eat
Is that ice pop?
the ice pop.
Green? What color is it?
It's green.
What do you have, Zoe? What color is yours?
Green.
It's green, yes. Is it cold?
It's cold.
It's cold. You guys are so cute. Hey guys, it's my last day home from work on vacation, and I have so much to do today. I made an entire list of things that I need to get done today before the day is over. So I got to keep these kids busy. Right now they're eating ice pops, but I'm creating and I do my hair. I'm creating a game for them to play while I do everything I need. So I did a circle, a square, and a triangle, cut out the letters. I'm gonna write some numbers on them. So in case you needed ideas of how to keep your kids busy, this is a good one. What's that? Circle? Square? Triangle?
Taco.
Is that a 3?
Yeah, 3.
What number is that?
Hi, chicken.
What number is that?
Hi, tutu.
A 2. All right, take all the triangles out.
And
Okay, put all the triangles in. 1. Where's number 2?
2.
Get the 2. Put it in the triangle. Good job. Get number 3. Good girl. Where's number 4? Look. Yeah. Where's number 5? You're so smart. Okay, put all the squares in the square.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my
Mason, what happened to the game on the floor? Where's the triangle?
Taco.
You did a good job, Mason. You could put it back now.
Where's the square? And all these little pieces of paper were triangle, squares, and circle for them to put into the big triangle, square, and circle.
But then they need to put it back into triangle, squares, and circles.
Nana, we are one in a circle. Mommy!
What you telling Nana here? Talk to Nana.
Mommy! Mommy!
Yes, Zoe. Tell Nana what you did.
Not done.
Nana, we are all in the circle. The circle. Are we in it?
So which are you holding? You holding the circle, square, the triangle?
Look like he's holding the circle.
It looked to me like you holding.
And the triangle and the square on the floor.
Okay.
That kept them busy for 30 seconds.
Yes.
Look, Zoe, here's Nana.
Hi, so.
Tell Nana what you had for breakfast. Tell Nana you had 2 popsicles and crackers. Because she did not want to eat the breakfast.
Yummy.
I don't want to eat.
Say, Nana, Mommy made me French toast sticks and I ate a green popsicle and a red popsicle. And they were cold. Mason kept saying it's cold.
My the colors.
The colors. Guys, I thought I was cute and doing something and I completely messed up my locks. So this is embarrassing because I did my own hair for the entire time I had locks. But anyway, so I put them all in, right? And it looks decent, but it doesn't look decent. So they all pretty much look like this. What is this? So pretty much I started the lock here, my old lock, when I should have started it down here. Now that I've seen a couple of videos, I should have started it here when where my old lock starts, where my new hair ends. I should have started my old lock, but I started it here, so now all of them are really fat here and they get skinny. I'm off for the next 2 days. Guess what I have to do now? Now I gotta go in, take every single one of these out. Thank goodness there's only 40 of them. And part my hair and redo the entire thing. And I'm gonna put all of them back in. I think I'm gonna put about 85 to 90 of them back in. So pray for me. This is what I'm gonna be doing over the next 2 days. Anyway, let me show you an update on my belly. I just took off a waist trainer that I had on, so don't mind all the marks, but I want to show you how flat I look today. So let me show you. This mirror is dirty again, so just ignore that because I definitely cleaned that yesterday. You see it's little hands, but anyway, this is how I look. Again, I have stretch marks, of course, from being pregnant, and then I have a little bit of loose skin, not a lot, but then I have all these marks from the garment. But I'm still very swollen right here. Down here still hard and swollen. My belly's still a little hard. And you can see how swollen I am there. This is a mark from the garment because I had it on all day. But my pants are too big, as you can see. My underwear is a little big at the waist. But look at this. Let me show you the difference. These were tight on me just a few months ago. Hold on, let me zip it up. So this is how it would normally button. And look at the back and the front. That's crazy. So that's where I am.
Nancy, 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 Nancy.